Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Mansoor Ahmed Chacher. So let's start. My topic is 2018 CLD 759 decision of tribunal regarding the Competition Commission of Pakistan. So let's start with the introduction. As far as the introduction of this citation is concerned, that two parties are there. The appellant, namely Pakistan Poultry Association, and the respondent in that case is Competition Commission of Pakistan. That appeal was filed before the appellant tribunal. It is situated at Islamabad against the impugned order of the commission about the alleged violation done by the appellant Pakistan Poultry Association of the sections 4 subsection 1 and 4 subsection 2A of the Act 2010. Such case was decided case was decided on 28 September 2016. Resultantly, the appeal was dismissed and impugned order was amended. That's all the introduction. Now let's move to the factual grounds of the case. Okay. Competition Commission of Pakistan, wide order dated 29 February 2016, held that appellant violated section 4 subsection 1 4 subsection 2A of the Act 2010 by fixing selling price of the live boiler chicken meat and chicken eggs through an alleged advertisement published via national press. Okay. There was a true relevant market or identified here. One is boiler chicken meat and the second one is chicken eggs. Okay. Commission took notice of that alleged violations, and issued show cause notice undated 16th of November 2015, and hence order was passed against the appellant by a penalty. Penalty was imposed against the appellant by the commission. Okay, now let's move forward to the issues. What are the issues that was framed by the tribunal in the above case? Three issues were framed by the tribunal. The first one is whether the Pakistan Poultry Association is an undertaking under section 2(1)(q) of the Commission Act 2010, or second one is whether the advertisement given by the appellant is in the line with the decision of the Market Committee Lahore. The third one is whether the association by advertising the prices in the newspaper have committed any illegality under the Act. These three issues were framed by the tribunal. Let's move to the dispute. What is the dispute between the parties? The dispute between the parties, there are three disputes between the parties. The first one is that did appellant fall under the definition of undertaking? The second question was, did appellant made violation of section 4 subsection 1 and 2 of A of the Act by public such advertisement in national press for showing or fixing the price of both markets or products in the both market? Did it affect the relevant markets? These were the disputes. Okay, now let's move to the laws. There are, as I already discussed, that the section 2(1)(q) of the Act of the 2010, that undertaking means, I will just brief it, we are getting out of time. That means that any natural legal entity or person. Okay, that means the undertaking. That's the 4(1) Act, the section 4 subsection 1 of the Act 2000 is about the prohibited agreement. that no undertaking or association of undertaking shall involve any agreement that directly object or affect the market, the relevant markets, the competition in the relevant market. Okay, now let's move to the 4(2)(a) of the act, in which the fixing the price of the purchase or selling price of that goods or products of the relevant markets by the associations. Okay, now 37(1) of the act 2010, which commission may take suo motu notice of any violation and conduct an inquiry it is on or upon the complaint. Now let's move to the arguments. The main issue we will discuss now, that what was the argument of the both parties. The learned counsel for the appellant, he argued that the appellant does not come under the definition of undertaking, it's just the welfare organization. Okay, he urged. And the second opinion of the counsel for the appellant, that advertisement was published for just to deliver the information to the public, but the price are actually price are fixed by the committee, the market committee, the local government. Okay, that was the opinion that he urged counsel for the appellant in the before the tribunal. Okay, appellant, the third one, and the third argument, that the appellant never involved in fixing the price of the products. He never involved in such process. Now come to the arguments of the learned counsel for the respondent. He argued that applicant is undertaking as by giving the definition as per memorandum of association of the appellant. Okay, they are involved in the businesses of the and the welfare of the organizations, and promote the business of the, especially the point that was come in the memorandum of association of the appellant, the Pakistan Poultry Association, that it can promote the business of organizations. So it has become undertaking. Pakistan Poultry Association is undertaking under that definition. Okay, appellant published the advertisement in the national press because the prices of that relevant goods of the two markets, the chicken, boiler chicken, and the chicken eggs, that published in the national press, that is published in the all over the Pakistan. Okay, and not even they mentioned the prices for the particular city as urged by the appellant counsel for the appellant, but it was published in the national press that was distributed or circulated in all over the Pakistan, and there was no any mention that the such prices are for particular city. No any city was mentioned in that. Okay, the third one is appellant in effect the both relevant markets in the Pakistan. Now analysis of the tribunal and decision of the tribunal. The court held that memorandum of association clearly mentioned that the association is supposed to be promote and protect the interest of its members. Okay, so advertisement published by the appellant contradict the decision of market committee. Okay, because what is the decision of the market committee? Market committee, that is the local government, market committee of the particular city. The local government of the particular city is like Lahore, that the decision of Lahore just for the particular day, they fix the market committee fix the prices of the boiler chicken or chicken eggs on daily basis, and for particular city. It's not, it does not impact all over the Pakistan. So it is a violation done by the by the appellant, that it they on the basis of market, the decision of the market committee for only Lahore for particular day, they just publish that prices in the national press and for all over the country. That is a violation that affect the relevant market law of the country, both markets. the chicken, boiler chicken, and the chicken eggs in all over the Pakistan. That's a violation of the section 4 subsection 1 and section 4 subsection 2 of the Act 2010. Hence appeal was dismissed by the tribunal, and impugned order was maintained. Okay, now my personal opinion, uh, I would like to say that I would support the decision of Honorable Tribunal. The decision is valid and according to the spirit of the justice and wisdom. Prima facie violation was made by the appellant side, and the counsel for the appellant could not prove his version. Evidence was against the version of the plan. And here I would also mention the case precedent by the competition commission, that in the case Pamada versus competition commission of Pakistan, and was Pamada means Pakistan Automobile Authorized Manufacturer Association, okay, that made violation in the same in the relevant market of their spare parts and the service. They fixed that prices for all over the association members, that they would not issue any discount, and they just provide the spare parts on the fixed price and against the fixed service charges. In that case, also competition commission took notice of it and issued show cause notice and imposed 140 million penalty upon the Pemada. So thank you so much. I conclude here. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.